Good morning, people. Now it's 10:54 a.m. Tuesday morning. A friend here, maybe a couple of houses away. So I'm going to do a video while I'm walking. Right. But first, I want to go and share the thing I show the mulch thing, how they call it, where they do the short video. And they will have what up, they will have the red thing in front of the house. So I'm going to walk and show you that. As I do in the walking video, I go walk and go there first, turn around and come back where I go in. Okay, now I catch the video and I go in. Yes, I go in. Don't following me. I'll be back. Yeah. You not too long get up. Yeah. I'm going to lock thing quite deep. Right, so yes, I'm going to, well, they won't see it from here. I have to go close up here, see that red thing, but they were going further. I'm one neighbor here. But I'm going to say I want to do that a long time. I want to come and do this. Every time I slip in my mind or something come up like that, so today I will do it. Sun hot, so I'm going to go tell them to turn so you can see the entire thing. Truck or something coming behind me. Phải mặc down thì thằng này sẽ biết đàn, rủ lan, truck trailer thing. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about here, this red thing. Alright. So this is it. Put the camera on it. Okay, go in. This is it, everywhere. I just been around here just now. But this is it. I'm walking on showing it. do a lot of stuff. Moving again. So where my car to go now, it's spot I got stop. So I reach where I go in. Just now.